Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix memories backup not working. So guys, if you want to backup all the memories on Snapchat and your memories are not backing up, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, in this video you will see all the possible solutions to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, click on your main profile and click on settings. And guys, now you have to scroll it down. And guys, from here, you will see the option of memories. As you can see here, you have to click on memories tab. And guys, you will see here is the option of smart backup. So guys, if it is unchecked, simply you have to check this. And guys, now you have to click on memories, and guys you need to select your memories option, go back, and guys after this here you can see auto save my story snaps. You can do any setting from here, and guys after this your backup problem will be fixed. So guys, the second method is you need to scroll it below, and guys from here you will see the option of clear cache. Maybe there is bug on your app. Simply you have to clear cache of your Snapchat, and guys after this you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings, open your Play Store here, and here you need to search Snapchat, and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing all these methods, your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings, scroll it down. From here you have to click on app management, click on app list, and guys now you have to search here Snapchat. So guys, after opening your Snapchat, you have to click on storage and cache and clear cache of your app. And if you have remember your login, you have to clear storage as well and click on delete. And after this you need to log in again, and guys your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.